Hey friends, it's Miss Stephanie again. I just wanted to do another activity with you guys about numbers. So here I have number match, and I basically have a whole bunch of different ways to write numbers that we're going to use for our activity. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blue dots. So this is 6. So on my sticky notes, I have the number 6. So what you guys are going to try to do is at home, you guys are going to write down different numbers. And then on your paper, I want you to do the number of dots that go along with each number. So if I have 6 dots up here on my sticky notes, I have to find the number 6 written out. So right here, I have the number 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to cover my 6 dots with it because they go together, okay? So we're going to continue. We have the what number right here? You guys may not be able to see it, but it's a number 2, okay? So 2. So that means on my sticky notes, I should have 2 dots somewhere, okay? So I have this one, I have that one. Which one is 2? That's right. We can count them if we have to. So we have 1, 2. 1. So that's right. This is our number 2. So I'm going to cover up our number 2 with our 2 dots. Okay? So now that we have this one in our hand, this is only 1, right? So we have to find the number 1. We have a 7. We have a 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not a number 1. That's a number 4. Okay? Oh, this is a big one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. That's a number 8. So over on our sticky notes, we should have a number 8 somewhere. But right now, we're still looking for the number 1. Let's check this one. 1, 2, 3. That's not a number 1 either. So that means that this must be our number 1, right? Because it's the last number, okay? So friends, you can count everything, right? You can count your sticky notes that have the dots on it, or you can count your paper that have the dots on it. But either way, you can count. And I want to see you using your finger and pointing to one dot and saying a number, okay? Make sure you point. 1, 2, 3, 4. You point to each dot, and each dot gets its own number, okay? We have a number 3, okay? So, I know it was one of these, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, not that one. 1, 2, 3. 3, right? This is a fun game for you guys, okay? So you guys can time yourselves to see if you could do it faster the next day, or maybe you can play against your sisters or your brothers and see who can do it first, okay? So I want to see your videos on this. We have a number 8, right? The 8 looks like a little snowman, right? So that was this big number down here, right? That was our 8. So we're going to continue. The number 4. Is this a number 4? No, that's a 5, right? So we have this number, and we have these dots. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, right there. So I have 2 left, right? We're going to count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Is this a 7? Nope, that's a 5. What about this one? Yep, that's our 7. Right, so I'm going to cover that up. And I'm going to grab our last sticky note. And we have to count again, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots. So our last number would be the number 5. And they're all done, right? So that's a simple 5-minute game that you guys can do with your family. You guys can do races and see who can do it first, or you could just do it by yourself to practice some of your numbers. But either way, I want to see your videos that you guys are sending us. Send them to all your teachers, not just me. But my friends, if you do this at home, take pictures, tell your mom or dad to send them to me. Take videos, tell them to send it to me. But I would love to see what you guys do with an activity like this, okay? So once again, I'm sorry we can't see each other, but for right now, video is the best way for me and you to communicate to each other. So I want you guys to stay strong, stay positive, and stay happy, okay? And I will see you guys as soon as we can, okay? Bye, guys.